Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today let's see how to make Vellai Appam. Take 1 cup of rice in any bowl. A simple trick to add black gram dal. Take handful of black gram dal and add it to the surface of the rice to form a cone shape like this. This is a measurement of black gram dal for this recipe. Very simple. Now add the entire mix in a bowl. Pour water and wash it well 3 to 4 times. After washing, soak it for 3 hours. It's now 3 hours and the dal and rice soaked well and has enlarged a little. Drain off the water and add it in a mixer grinder. Pour half cup water. Grind it to make a fine paste. The batter should be of pouring consistency and not thick, but not too thin, like this. If you feel the batter is thick, pour little by little water to loosen it. This recipe's batter is similar to idli and dosa batter. However, we do not ferment it. Once the batter is ready, we immediately fry them. Now let's go ahead and fry it. Pour oil in a pan to deep fry. Once oil becomes hot, slow the flame. Take a big ladle for this. Take a good quantity of batter in a ladle and pour it over the oil. It's very simple. Just take a large ladle, take the batter and pour it. Now fry on one side, but make sure it does not change the color once it cooks. Turn it over and cook the other side. The color of appam will be off-white. Drain away the oil. Vellai Appam is now ready. Let us serve it. Serve with tomato or coconut chutney. Delicious Vellai Appam is now ready to be served. Vellai Appam is an authentic South Indian delicacy and is quick to make. I hope you like this video and do give it a try. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Please do subscribe to Veena's Kitchen. Have a wonderful day. Bye.